Welcome to Armand Academy. Like and subscribe for more content and drop your doubts in the comments. Share with your friends and classmates. For private tuition in these subjects across all boards and universities, contact me here or the link in the description. Let's get started. There are two formulae which I can use to calculate this, and I'm going to use both the formulae. All right. Uh, the traditional method formula, price elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded upon percentage change in price. And that itself subdivides into percentage change in quantity demanded, which is change in quantity demanded upon original quantity demanded into 100. And similarly, percentage change in price is going to be equal to your change in price upon original price into 100. Now, just remember, whenever we are writing this triangle, delta means change. It means change. And it is best if you are consistent across both quantity demanded and price. So we will calculate that as new minus old. Always remember it is going to be new minus old. Okay, so if I want to find percentage change in quantity demanded, the old quantity demanded is 100 and the new quantity demanded is 80. New minus old will be 80 minus 100, which will be minus 20. The original is 100. So it's going to be minus 20 upon 100 into 100, which is going to give me minus 20%. Similarly, if I want to calculate percentage change in price, it's going to be the new price minus the old price. Okay, so this time it will be 12 minus 10 upon 10. Okay, which is what? 12 minus 10 is 2, right? So I'm just going to write 2 upon 10 into 100. Okay, and this will give me 20%. This time it's a positive number. And now I can substitute over here and I can say the percentage change in quantity demanded is minus 20%, the percentage change in price is 20%, and therefore my answer is minus 1. PED is minus 1. Now, the alternative formula that you can use for price elasticity of demand is change in quantity demanded upon change in price into price upon quantity demanded. Okay, so this change in quantity demanded, again we're going to stick to the formula new minus old when we are calculating change. Okay, so we have 80 minus 100, which is minus 20. The change in price is 12 minus 10, new minus old, which is 2, into price, original price, which is 10, upon original quantity, which is 100. Okay, and now use the calculator. All right, and I'm going to ignore the minus sign. There's only one minus over here, so minus into all the pluses will just give me another minus. Okay, so I'm now just going to take 20 into multiplied by 10 upon 2 upon 100, and that gives me 1. Okay, minus 1. Therefore, PD is equal to minus 1. I have used both the methods to calculate the same answer. Notice that the answer in both the cases is same. Any doubts, feel free to ask.